In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a note from a template in Evernote. Using templates is a great way to save time and keep your notes consistent, especially if you find yourself creating the same type of note over and over again, like meeting notes, project plans, or checklists. Instead of starting from a blank page each time, you can begin with a ready-made structure and just fill in the details. First, open Evernote and look at the left side of your screen where your notes and notebooks are listed. Find the Notes section where you usually see your existing notes. Next to the note options, you'll see an icon with 3 small dots. This is often called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. A small menu will appear, and from that list, choose the option that says From Template. This tells Evernote that instead of a blank note, you want to start from a saved layout. When you click From Template, Evernote will open a gallery of templates available to you. Here, you'll see different categories and designs, such as personal planning, work, school, and more. Take a moment to scroll through the available templates so you can find one that matches the kind of note you want to create. For example, if you're planning your week, look for a weekly planner template. If you're taking meeting notes, look for a meeting notes layout. You can usually preview what each template looks like, so you know what you're getting before you use it. Once you've found the template that best fits your needs, move your cursor over it. You should see an option or button that says Select. Go ahead and click on Select. When you do this, Evernote will create a brand new note based on that template and open it for you automatically. At this point, the note is ready to use. You can start editing any of the text fields, add your own content, and remove any sections you don't need. The structure and formatting from the template will stay in place, which helps keep everything organized and neat. Remember to give your new note a clear title at the top so it's easy to find later, and that's all you need to do. By clicking the 3 dots, choosing from template, selecting